Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, this right here is the perfect reason to keep your door locked.
Yo, who you looking for, bro? Yo.
Lock it up, folks. Savannah, Georgia. Sometimes folks try to save a few bucks on a weak door, but this clip shows why that's a bad idea. These two intruders start kicking the door, trying to force their way in, but that strong door holds up and they end up running off. Savannah, Georgia. Loud enough to spook him and he just bolts. Call it luck, call it timing, or hey, maybe a little help from above. Dayton, Ohio, around midnight, this guy's out here talking trash over the doorbell like he's got something to prove.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Is it Jennifer
Can I help
Michael
you?
here? Who's here? What's their name? Is it Jennifer Michael? No, yes, what?
Honestly, that's exactly why you don't confront people like this, especially at that hour.
She stays on this street somewhere. Who's here? Hello? Is anybody there? Because if it wasn't true, then the thing wouldn't be on. So whose name's here? Because I know my mother lives on this street somewhere.
Nothing good comes from engaging with that kind of energy. Atlanta, Georgia. It's pouring rain.
I'm sorry. It's raining.
Like, ma'am, I get it. Nobody likes getting soaked, but you could have just asked. Atlanta, Georgia. These days, intruders are getting a little too smart. Before they even try anything, they're covering their faces and going straight for the doorbell camera. That's a real concern because now they're not just bold, they're thinking ahead. Columbus, Ohio. This is what happens without a weapon during the argument. Yeah, that escalated fast. Thankfully, both husbands step in and pull them inside before it turns into something way worse. Sometimes de-escalation is the only thing standing between a bad moment and a really bad outcome. Decatur, Georgia. And this right here is why homeowners are worried about these bold intruders.
Yo. Alright, I see you, boy. Call the police. Call the police. Dude trying to break in the back of the house. Got a black jacket on, yellow, yeah. Yep. We got him. He's coming around the back side of the house. He's coming back around the front. He has a black jacket on, a yellow shirt. He's on the back side of the house. Yeah, I got the camera on him right now. He's hiding in the back. He's sliding in the back. Yeah, already the police on the way.
No hesitation, no fear. Yeah, that's the kind of confidence that makes this really concerning. Dayton, Ohio, around 2 a.m., and you get a stranger at your door with a request. Let's hear it out.
Yeah.
Hey, excuse me, now. I live down the street, like a minute away. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Is there any way that do you guys have I need to make a phone call. Do you guys have like a USB charger?
Honey, it's 2:00 in the morning and you asking for a charger?
I wasn't even sure what time it was.
No, we don't have a charger for nobody to use at 2:00 in the morning.
At this hour, at a stranger's house. Yeah, that's a hard no from me. Atlanta, Georgia. You might think you're good because you grabbed your package on time. But But don't forget about your mail. These thieves don't discriminate. Package, letters, whatever's there. So yeah, don't give them a chance.
Nothing. Okay.
Grab everything on time, folks. Atlanta, Georgia. Folks, I gotta ask, why do some of these thieves have zero fear? Just grabbing stuff like it's nothing. I've heard a lot of homeowners say these cases don't always get priority, and maybe that's why they feel so bold. But what do y'all think? Why are they so confident doing this? Let me know in the comments. Atlanta, Georgia. And here comes another late-night mail thief. He walks right up, looks directly into the doorbell camera, and still has zero fear. Like, dude really said, yeah, record this. I mean, wow. Columbus, Ohio. What's so funny about vandalizing someone's property? Like, ma'am, the camera didn't do anything to you.
Welcome. Thanks for stopping by.
Dayton, Ohio. Here comes another late-night mail thief. Let's call her Midnight Mail Fairy. She pulls up thinking she's about to find something valuable, but nope, mailbox is already empty. Good on the homeowner for grabbing everything on time. Better luck next time, I guess. Atlanta, Georgia. And this time, the porch pirate didn't stop at one. Grabbed 2 packages like it was a buy one, get one deal. Not everyone's on high alert, and that's exactly what they're counting on. Stay sharp, folks. Columbus, Ohio. These days, late night really does feel like trouble hours.
Hello?
This guy shows up with a knife in his hand.
Anybody home?
Yeah, that's all you need to see. Don't open the door, don't engage. Just stay inside and stay safe. Atlanta, Georgia. Folks, what are we even seeing these days? This guy walks up to the door, not to steal anything, but just to listen to what's going on inside. Like, is he casing the place before coming back? Atlanta, Georgia, around 1:30 a.m. Things get chaotic real fast in this neighborhood.
Chloe, get down.
You've got people running, hiding in driveways, trying to stay out of the way.
We should have well.
Yeah, moments like this remind you how quickly a quiet night can turn into something serious.
Hasn't called. She keeps screaming. Why can't nobody help her? I wonder why. Somebody throw away every in this apartment. And y'all don't know who actually lives here, right?
Dayton, Ohio. Check out this woman. Just roaming around in a truck, looking for anything to grab. Like driving around scouting instead of just getting a real job? Yeah, I don't get it either. Columbus, Ohio. This one's really concerning for any parent. This guy follows the homeowner's daughter all the way up to the front door.
That's not good. What up? What up, dude?
Yeah, that's not just weird. That's serious. Stay alert and trust your instincts. Atlanta, Georgia. Late night, this older guy shows up and just stares into the doorbell camera for no clear reason.
Hey, can I help you?
And if you look closely, yeah, he's holding a hammer.
Can I help you?
Don't open up. Better safe than sorry on this one.
Can I help you? Hello?
That's exactly why you keep your doors locked and use the camera to speak.
Can I help you?
Atlanta, Georgia. Even in the daytime. This is why you don't just swing the door open. These guys show up, and if you look closely, they're all hiding something under those jackets. Yeah, you can kind of guess what the plan might be. Always check the doorbell cam first, folks. Don't open blind. Savannah, Georgia. Check this out. Classic doorknob checker. Just walking up like it's nothing, giving the handle a quick test, hoping someone forgot to lock up. Yeah, don't make it that easy for them. Savannah, Georgia. Someone comes up and takes these long plant pieces, then comes back 10 minutes later for more. Like, you already took some, and now you're doing a second trip? Pooler, Georgia. This one's sneaky. She's pretending to be on a call, just pacing the hallway. Then the second someone disappears, she goes right for the doorknob. That's not random, that's calculated. And yeah, this is exactly why I keep saying, lock your doors. Pooler, Georgia. People are getting real comfortable these days. This woman just turned someone's porch into her personal charging station, standing there, plugging in like it's a public outlet. Ma'am, this is not a cafe.
She is charging her phone.
I'm so sorry. Like, I thought this house was empty.
You can find plenty of places to charge, just not someone else's front porch.
Are you serious? She is charging her. She is charging her phone at my house.
Pooler, Georgia. This one's wild. Person shows up covered in a bed sheet like a full-on ghost, just to grab a package. Checks what's inside and then decides, nah, not worth it, and puts it back. Even thieves are getting picky these days. Pooler, Georgia. Yeah, this one will make any homeowner's heart drop. That's the kind of moment where you don't open the door, you just stay inside and stay safe. Jacksonville, Florida. Folks, I get it. Sometimes you're not home to grab your package, but that's exactly when porch pirates strike. Better to use a locker or a P.O. box and save yourself the headache.
I got this.
Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard.
Yeah, I'm gone. All right. I got to go to
Jacksonville, Florida. Like, ma'am, I don't think you've got time to cook. You're out here running a full-time grocery heist. Jacksonville, Florida. This guy really took his sweet time, just standing there, picking and choosing what to take. Like, dude, this isn't Walmart. You don't get to browse. Jacksonville, Florida. This grandpa really climbed over the fence, walked onto the porch, and just made himself comfortable in the sitting area. Like, sir, this is not your vacation spot. Atlanta, Georgia, 5 a.m. That's real suspicious. Columbus, Ohio. This lady shows up in the morning, cutting across the lawn from one neighbor, then heads to another porch asking for an AA battery. Like, that's a pretty random request to be making door to door. Columbus, Ohio. This person shows up trying to enter the apartment with a knife. Yeah, that's a hard no. Do not open the door, call for help, and stay safe.
Step away from the door and walk away. Step away from the door and walk away.